In that feed, take 10 grams. How many grams?
10 grams.
And do what?
Mix.
Add it into the feed. 4 kg of the feed. Let them be eating this in their feed, drinking it in their water. We went to the bank yesterday. The manager was like, at 5 weeks, you eat your bed. I said, you are talking about bed of 5 weeks. Some of us, we eat at 4 weeks. Also observe their temperature. Now that we are in this season, without using any thermometer, without using any gauge, a poultry farmer can know when the birds are cold or when they are hot. Look around now. If you go to the village now, this is heavy sun. You won't see any bird on the sun. Many of them have gone under the tree, picking. When the sun is down, what do? They'll come out again. Any of them you see under the sun now, if he's lying down, to open the wings, open the mouth, and be taking air, because the weather is hot. So always regulate the temperature, particularly when you're brooding them. Do not tight everywhere. Make a little openings on up where at least air can come in for the birds. That you're brooding them and they need heat does not mean that it will be on airtight room. Are we understanding it?
Yeah.
And then if you're using charcoal or these things that can produce smoke, open the top, because heat goes from up and cold comes from down. That's why if you're burning it and the smoke goes up, it doesn't go down. If you'll be using this nutrient, you discover that your poultry will not stink. Is that true, sir? Your poultry will not stink. You have what we call odorless poultry. You can have your poultry farm in the house, close by your house. There, nobody will see anything odor. Do you know the reason? Let me tell you the reason. This nutrient makes it possible that your bird's absorption rate, the body's absorption system, opens up. And then whatever feed this bird eats, at least over 95% is absorbed by the body. If over 45% is absorbed by the body, and the little physics that is remaining is not watery, drops like hard, so it doesn't sleep. Do we understand that? That's exactly what happens. The normal level, the normal volume of the floor is 3 inches. And before you can get the sawdust of 3 inches, you will know the quantity you have applied. So what do? Get a sterilized, what do you call it? Broom. Sterilized what? Get it. Get a sterilized packer. Keep them. In the morning, you go inside your pen. Take this packer and take this thing. Pick all the physics you see that have dropped. Pack out. After 1 week or 2 weeks, you can get the sawdust. Add to this one that is already there. Are you getting what we want? Yes. Instead of sweeping away completely, looking. Now, to God be the glory, this dry season now. As you put these ones now, go and get another sawdust. Begin to dry it. Some people go as far as frying it. It will be a difficult thing for you. But you can be sunning it. Get a cellophane bag, put it on the ground, put it there. Let them be dry. Because when your wood shaver or your sawdust dries very well, even when water drops on it, what will it do? And because of the thickness of your pen, anything that drops, it cannot get to the floor. It is when it gets to the floor that it begins to stink. But since before it drops, it has, when the birds are doing interhospals, you know they do interhospals. If they eat well and they are happy, one will just, it will run. And that's how they are mixing the whole floor. That's how they mix the whole floor. With this, somebody can walk into your poultry pen and walk out without knowing, walk into your compound, go in and go out without knowing that there is. That's the problem. The essence of broiler meat is, the essence of broiler is for meat. The moment your pen clocks 4 weeks, start getting off-takers. Start getting what? Off-takers. Somebody asked me, Dr. Machuka, I say yes. Will you get off-takers for us? I get it from you. I say yes. If you're paid, because we have people that needs bed. One of the reasons for this scheme is to have massive poultry pen. Some people need poultry in 50 and hundreds of thousands of pieces. There's no quantity produced that cannot be bought off. But since it is little, they cannot come and buy the little, because nobody can just come with cold van and just buy 50 or 60 and go away. If they are coming, they are looking at getting about, maybe, I'm talking about 50,000 pieces, 100 pieces, 100,000 pieces, load it and go. One of the funniest things in Enugu State, I have walked into a, do I say cooperative? No. I walked into a firm that gets their beds from Cooperative. I don't know if anybody have an experience. Some people in Enugu buy beds outside Enugu State, whereas some farmers in Enugu State are asking you, where do we sell? If I teach you about vaccinated beds, treated beds, you will eat them. So many people will come to your pen and ask you, is it treated beds? But then they say yes, they won't. That's why if you're using this, let people know that you're using nutrient without immunizing the bed, without medication. You will find people far coming from far to buy from you if they discover it's too late. Some people will ask you, Dr. Wajibu, you will upstate and say, yes, we don't want it. Okay. Now in that scheme we have three months. Am I right? 3 months. You give them the first bed, they are happy. They will all go with speed. They will trade and sell. The spoon is still inside it. This spoon is still inside this one. Hello. Any questions so far? Any question on the usage, application, so that you don't go to do wrong thing? Anyone you are confused anyway, you make a call, you ask questions. Don't walk in assumption. We have 9 bags of feed, and then we have 24 pieces of the nutrient. 24 pieces in a sense that it is from my own calculation. Otherwise, I will tell you how many that is contained here. But let's just have this by 1 kg, have 2 at 2 kg, and you have 4 pieces of this, making it how many now? Then it is enough for you. If you use it carefully, you will have a remaining. That's why.
I think I'm back again. I'm because now since I joined way poultry, I want a opportunity to do that. I need Jack and Emea. Attack one half of me. When Emea, better than Canoa, Annie Bannery. Chineke be zifted. Bianyaka. Inyaka knows of I get coupon only way you are. Inyaka when you are new. I jewel, we bunyani this new cocoa, Nana or cocoa, Dano. When you're one eye nutrient, or cocoa, Koga, Coca, I didn't do Coca again when sickness.
Not at all.
Or any sickness of no again, or the very healthy.
Smart
and the cocoa grew
and healthy birds to be eaten.
Yes. So when one opportunity, I will say can back in there, Dr. Wachu. More only the Dr. Wachu. As far as I'm concerned, only the Kia. Oh, Melanie, no Melanie. Most especially in the southeast. We talk when a mayor man Imo State, when a mayor man Abia State. Mananyuma bunde Enugn we benefit kwano. I went one here, I never wanted one since. When what one year.
I am grateful too because yours truly, it is our desire, it is our prayer that this poultry scheme becomes a very good thing and our people will embrace it. Just like people like you do the right thing, and you see our target is to make sure that our children of the forest can have poultry meat and egg in their lunch bag after going to school. So with this scheme, we promise ourselves, we promise also our generation that the high cost of poultry meat is going to be reduced. It's a part of food security, a part of providing employment. You can imagine how many people are here today, and a part of also making it possible that we cut down youth restfulness by engaging some of our youths into the family. Thank you for coming, somebody like you, plus other people who are here. It's my pleasure that we have people like you in this game.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Thank
You're
you.
Blessed.
Thank
bless
you.
Thank you, lady.
Sir.
God bless you.
Hello? Hello?
Anyone that is died, bring it out.
Don't you put the
But you don't wait till inside the carton.
Oh, what do you My name is Honorable Ngozi Amo. I am the coordinator of Bird Revolution in Enugn State. I am happy today because you can see right behind me that our farmers, we have more than 16 people that were profiled by the bank, but unfortunately some of them could not meet up. But we have 16 people that were profiled and are giving their items today. Right behind me, they are taking their items now. We have given them their feed for the birds and nutrient. Our nutrient is wonderful. It's nano nutrient and it's pure organic. That is what we are using to power the scheme. Our facilitator is Dr. Wachuku. He is here, but everybody is busy. Everybody is busy because our bird arrives late. Now, with the products we are using, which is nanonutrient, it is for all animals. This is a day-old chick. So from now to 4 to 5 weeks, your bird is ready for eating and pure, healthy and strong. So we are happy that we are kicking off in Enugn now. So in the next 5 weeks, we will be exhibiting our birds, ready for consumption, ready for everything you can think of, and strong and healthy. So we are happy. The product we are using, which is the nanonutrient, is completely healthy. So we are happy. Thank you.